to show your family how good you are in Spanish? If you do, make sure to stay in your seat and watch this video. Hello kids, and welcome to another day full of learning Spanish. Today's video will stay with you forever because we will learn about family members in Spanish. So, for your next birthday, you'll impress everyone when you use all the words you'll learn today. Be sure to practice these words at home and every time you visit your relatives. I know you will love this easy and super fun vocabulary. Let me introduce you to Lucy. She will help us by introducing her family. Hi friends, come with me. I want you to meet my family. And remember that we post a new video every week. And if you don't want to miss out on the fun learning, be sure to follow these 3 steps. Subscribe, hit the bell button, and like this video. Now it's time to meet Lucy's family. Are you ready? Hello friends, esta es mi familia. This is my family. They are only some of my relatives. We'll meet the rest later. Estos son mis padres. These are my parents. Ella es mi mamá. She's my mom. Él es mi papá. He's my dad. My parents are called Juan and Raquel. Mis papás se llaman Juan y Raquel. If you, my friends, want to talk about your familia, you should tell your padres right now to sign you up for a free class at Homeschool Spanish Academy. HSA makes learning so much fun. That's how I learned all these awesome words, with tons of activities and amazing classes with expert teachers. The teachers, they're the best. We've learned so much with you, Lucy. How do we say relatives in Spanish? Easy. We say los parientes. Remember that even if los parientes sounds like parents, it refers to all the members of our families. Always use the word mis or mi to refer to my. Mis is for plural and mi is for singular. Well, thank you so much for today's lesson, Lucy. See you next time. It was my pleasure. Bye! Wow, that was some amazing vocabulary, right? Your family is around you all the time, and you can call them in Spanish to motivate them to learn with you. Remember to keep watching our channel for more exciting videos that make learning fun. You can keep learning about Familia and other topics with fun videos like the story about the talented mouse. See you next time!
Cut.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell to never miss the best Spanish content on the web.